Assalamualaikum grade 3. Welcome to online classes. I'm your computer science teacher Hera. Beta, today we are starting a new chapter which is about digital literacy explorer from your textbook Oxford Primary Computing. Okay? And this chapter is basically about the internet. What is the internet? Web pages. In this chapter we will explore about the internet. Okay, and the learning goals are how to use technology to send and receive messages, to describe the parts of a messages, how to respond to a communication you are not sure about or find worrying. Okay, okay, in this chapter I already told you that we will explore things. What are the internets, how we can search different places, different restaurants, different plants, animal which exist in this universe but we don't know. Okay, and how we can explore the world of internet with the help of the web browsers. If we have a web browser, we have internet connections, but we want to search something, we don't know how we can use it. I will tell you how you can use the internet, how you can find the different new interesting things which increase your information, which help you to resolve your assignments issues. Okay, how we can compose an email, how many parts of the emails are exist in this world. Okay, and before starting our new chapter, we should know few sight words which are very important because this is called a terminology. These terms will be used throughout your chapters and you should know what this word means. First sight word was email, second was spam, third was phishing, fourth attachment, fifth inbox, sixth email address, seventh domain, eighth farming. Okay, now the meanings of the sight words. Email is basically electronic mail through which we send a message immediately over the internet to someone. Spam is basically irrelevant message which is not relevant to us, but still we receive it from some other users, maybe some other websites. Okay, phishing, a form of a fraud. It's a form of a fraud used to gain access to our data, such as our password, usernames, credit card details. Okay, attachment is basically a file. It may be an audio, it may be a video file which is sent with an email address. Okay, and the sign indicated that this email contain attachment is indicated by the paper clip, maybe you have seen. Okay, inbox is electronic folders in which your email will receive. Okay, arrived. Email addresses, before sending any email we should know the email address of the receiver. Okay, if we don't know the email address of the receiver, we can't send an email. Domain is basically a place like a school or a business, like www.spsc.edu.pk. www stand for World Wide Web. SPSC stand for Springfield Public School and Colleges. .edu mean it's a educational website. Okay, and .pk stand for it's a Pakistani website. Okay, .edu is a domain, it represents that it's an educational website. So okay, farming is basically an email which we receive from a fake website, which website does not exist. Okay, but some people made that website to get access on the websites, on the email IDs of the others, and the websites, this website basically ask your personals and private informations. Okay, which we don't want to share with the others. Okay, 2.1 is communicating. Okay, 2.1 is communicating means how we can communicate with others. Okay, how we can communicate with others. In previous time beta, we send letters to the our relatives ones to tell us how we are feeling, if we are facing any difficulties, and they are the post office through which we send and receive the letters. Okay, but in modern in this modern era we use email address. Okay, email means electronic mail. We can sit at home, we want to share our ideas, our thinking, whatever we want to share with our near and dear ones. We just, if we have an internet connections and we have an email ID, we can just open the email IDs, enter the receiver address and tell whatever we want to share with them and just send it. In a nanosecond, our email will be reached to the other ones, and it will be acknowledged by also other servers or the domains that your message has been sent, or your receiver name or email ID is not correct. Okay, now we can also know that we also know that our email address of the receiver is correct or not. Okay, but in previous time, in the past time, we don't know, we just send the letters. If that address is not correct, after 2 or 3 months we will get back the letters, and we were thinking that we have sent the letters and maybe our receiver, the near and dear ones, got it. Okay, but in the modern way, in a nanosecond we came to know that our address is right, our receiver send our letter or not. Okay, email use the internet connection to send the messages, and it is a very quickly and very easiest way, and reliable also. Okay, because it's a private one, no one can, even my siblings, even they don't know the password, they can't they don't know whatever I'm sharing, whatever I am writing to the someone. Okay, it's a basically private communicating. Okay. Now the next activity is, there is a pictures, you can easily see on the screen. There are the few pictures of the means through which we can send our communicate with the others, we can send our messages, we can communicate with the others. You have to tell me what is a reliable message way, what are the private way, and what is the quickest way, and what is the easiest way to communicate with others. Okay, now come to the next 2.2. What does an email look like? I told you email stand for electronic mails, and everything has a parts. Okay, parts of an email. Now we will know how parts of email means. Okay, basically this is every I told you that there should be two email IDs. One is of senders and one is of receiver. To means I'm sending email to someone, and from means senders. Okay, email IDs. And dear family is a greeting. It may be hello, hi, assalamu alaikum. Okay, we are Muslim, it starts our conversation with assalamu alaikum most of the time. Okay, this is the body of the email. In this contain all the information about my email, and this is a closing from your faithfully, truthfully. This is called basically closing grading. Okay, and in this way this is also called the signatures. Okay, what can we do if we want to add some like quotations, if some hadith, we can also add them. Okay, at the end of the message, and it will be saved in the draft. Whenever we want to send in email ID, we just compose our, this is called the composing. Okay, we will just add the body, senders receivers email IDs, and send it automatically. Hadith, quotation, whatever we have already added in our email is sent to the other persons. Okay, now one more activity is that you are going to open your own email account. Beta basically this assignment is assignment number 1. We told you how you can open your email IDs, how you can make an email IDs accounts. Okay, with the help of the Gmail stand for Google account. Okay, you are going to open your own email account. You have already done it. Follow the instructions from your teachers, from the type of the email system your school uses. We told you that you have to make your email IDs on Gmails. Okay, open a new email. You can find the right place to put the email addresses you are sending to, subject, body, and signatures. Okay, now you have to open a www.gmail.com. okay, in this way you have to compose an email by adding the okay, in receiver you have to add my email ID. Okay, in subject you have to tell me something. You have to just pick one thing. That's like if you want to explore a place. Okay, tell me about the new things you have explored about that place. If someone select food, tell me about the food. This food belongs to which country, and the taste, it is a sweet dish or it may be a spicy, it's a main course, a side dish, whatever. Okay, then add your signatures and send it to me. Okay, I will waiting for your email. Now 2.3 is about basically send an email, how you can send an email. I told you that email tell the computer which email box a message needs to go to. Email address basically tell us that this email belongs to this person, and the domain is a commercial, it's a business, it's a educational, whatever. Okay, now what you have to do, this is local part. The local part can be something like a name or a something that does not say who you are. Most of the time it may be in my email ID, it's Hira Salman, ठीक है, 998@gmail.com. Hira Salman is my name, and 998 is my ER and my employee number. Okay, so in the start it's a local part. The local parts can be something like a name or something that does not say anything the who you are. Okay, the first part is called the local parts, and the after a at the rate we pronoun is at. Okay, at or at the rate. Okay, and the third part is domain. I told you domain is basically a place like a school or a business. The domain can be an email provider. In my email ID, Gmail is a domain, is a email provider, and G stands for Google. Okay, in your school website, edu is educational websites. I told you org is organization. Okay, the domain tell us that this email ID belong to this person, and this person is using this email ID from the school domain, from the organizational, or maybe it's a commercial. Okay, so email has three parts. One is local, okay, second at, and third is domain. And email address have these three parts. Okay, and we should know these three parts before sending the email to someone. If we don't know the email address, we can't send our email to anyone. Okay, sending an email means start a new email. Different email provider do this in the different way. Click on a computer, new, or a new message. Okay, oh, okay, in this way I will told you how you can compose an email to the name of the receiver, subject, which is the subject, which thing you want to tell us about. Like I want to tell you about the assignments. Okay, my subject will be assignments. Okay, type your email messages here that Assalamu alaikum grade 3, this is your assignment number 5 from the chapter number 2. Okay, so please complete it before time, and the submission date is 24 July 2020. Okay, in this way I am composing the email. Now send. If I will click on send, my email ID, my email will be sent to you. Okay, but better there are lots of different options available in this email IDs. I can bold. If I want to bold my assignment number 5, I will bold it with the help of B. B stands for bold, I for italic, U for underline. So okay, I want to underline the important words, I can use the formatting. I can also change the font colors. Okay, these are the options available here, which is most probably we have studied in Word. Okay, in our previous class. Okay, I can also justify it on the right justification, on the left justification. Like I can also add the bullets in it. Okay, and after applying the formation, I can easily send my email ID with the help of the send buttons. Now your activity is, imagine you are an explorer. Explorer means you are exploring some things. Traveling in a desert, write an email to your teacher about what the desert is like. Use the internet to find out about hot and cold desert. If you need more information, you can easily use the Google Beta for it, and you can find the different deserts of the world. Sahara Desert is a very famous desert of the world. Okay, you know the temperatures of the days and night. You can also share the temperatures of days and night. The special plants which grow in deserts, the environments, how they can find the water, how they can find the food, what sort of animal can exist there, what is the difference between the normal normal area where we live, and what is the speciality about the desert, how if desert like you, what is the important thing. Okay, grade 3, now your activity number 1 is there are the few pictures which you can easily see on your screen. Picture 1 number A is about the fire. In the previously beta we set on fire, and when the fire will be fire is basically an alarm or something. We want to say something, we want to communicate our messages. For that we use the fire as a communication. Okay, B is a flag. In our railway station most of the time, or in some others even departments, the flag will be used white, red flag. There are different colors which means difference. Okay, C is a cell phone, in which like texting, we send a text to someone to tell about something if we want to share. And D is an about basically an email ID. We are sending basically email to someone's and G is a telephone call. Okay, we make a telephone call. H is in which a message in this H basically in a mean in which we use past era, that if someone want to send a message, that person write a message on a paper that was not a proper paper. It may be a leaf, or maybe you can say some other material like this, in which that person write and fold the paper and put it in a bottle and throw it into the river, and with the waves it will reach to the destination. And H is about basically newspapers, electronic media, and the print media. Is it the easiest, quick, or private way, reliable way? And E is basically a letter. Okay, nowadays letter is almost obsolete. Now people mostly use email, different communication like WhatsApps, Skypes, and other mediums to communicate with others. Okay, these are the ways through which we can communicate in our past. Okay, and they are very interesting. If you will use Google and try to search them, you will find different interesting thing about this, okay, how people communicate with the others. They set on fire when the smoke will be rise in the rise in the rise in the clouds, and they will know that some one was standing there and want to tell us. They reach there, then they communicate communicate with them that this is the thing that will be happened, or maybe it's a warning like floods or like this. They will communicate with the help of the fire. That people use fire, just think about it, the technique they are using. They use fire for communicating with the other peoples. Okay, then the flags, red flag mean dangerous, white means in the war basically they use the flags like this. White war means peace, that now war is ended. Okay, we go for reconciliations like this. Okay, and activity 2 is draw a diagram on your notebook showing parts of an email and label them. Okay, I already covered the parts of the email, that there are the how many parts? There are the 6 parts. Okay, sender, receivers, addresses, greeting, part of the body, closing tag. Okay, then the signatures. Okay, you can say 5 or you can say 6 if you add the signatures. Now activity 3, use the web search. You have to use Google or Yahoo, ask.com. These are the search engines to find different email providers. One email provider, Gmail, Google, I told you. Rest you have to beta search it by your own self, and you have to send this inshallah email before this assignment 24th July. Okay, and stay at your home beta, stay safe, and Allah Hafiz. Hopefully now you can attempt your assignments. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.